Today we're diving into the royal flavors of Rajasthan and we are making two iconic Rajasthani street style snacks. Let's get started. First we'll start with Rajasthani Mirchi Vada. For this, take 6 small Bhavnagri chillies, slit them carefully in the center and remove all the seeds. Keep them aside. Now prepare the besan batter. For this, take a mixing bowl and add 1.5 cups besan, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of ajwain and some salt to taste. Now add water little by little and mix continuously. Now add 2 pinches haldi, hing and baking soda. Mix well and keep aside to rest. Now prepare the stuffing by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon zira, hing, finely chopped green chilies and some ginger. Let them saute until aromatic. Now add mashed boiled potatoes and mix well. Season with salt to taste, red chili powder, haldi, lemon juice, garam masala, a little bit of sugar and fresh coriander. Now mix everything properly. The filling should be flavorful, slightly tangy and balanced. Now stuff the prepared potato mixture into each slit chili. Dip each chili into the besan batter. Now deep fry in hot oil until golden brown and crisp. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Now that's it, crispy spicy mirchi vada is ready. Serve hot with ketchup or green chutney and a cup of masala chai. Now let's move on to the king of Rajasthani snacks, Aloo Pyaaz Kachori. Now prepare the dough by adding maida, ajwain, oil in a bowl. Mix everything well until it resembles breadcrumb consistency. Now add water gradually and knead into a semi-soft dough. Cover with a damp cloth and rest for 30 minutes. Now prepare the spice mix in a pan. Dry roast on low flame for 2 minutes. Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, kasuri methi. Let them cool and coarsely grind. Now prepare the filling by heating oil in another pan. Add garlic, green chilies, onions. Saute till onions turn translucent. Now add besan and all the powdered spices. Now mix well. Add boiled and mashed potatoes. Cook for about 5 minutes. Now add sugar, onion slices. Mix well again. Switch off the flame and allow the filling to cool completely. Now divide the filling into 2 equal portions and make balls. Knead the dough again and divide into 8 equal portions. Now roll small roundels. Flatten with your hands, place filling in the center, seal carefully and gently flatten again to shape like a kachori. Repeat for all. Now heat oil on low-medium flame. Deep fry the kachoris for 10 to 15 minutes. Fry slowly until they turn beautifully golden brown. And your crispy Aloo Pyaaz Kachori is ready. Serve hot with tamarind chutney or green chutney. Now if you've loved this authentic Rajasthani recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.